In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to accept an invite on GitHub. Whether you're joining a collaborative project or officially becoming part of an organization, accepting an invitation on GitHub is a straightforward process. We'll explore two primary methods for accepting these invitations, ensuring that you can easily integrate into your new coding team or community. Let's start by addressing the email method. When you're invited to join a project or organization on GitHub, an invitation email is sent directly to your inbox. First things first, open your email inbox and locate the message from GitHub. It's good practice to double-check your spam or junk folder if you don't see it right away, just in case it landed there by mistake. Once you've found the email, open it, and you should see a button labeled either View Invitation or Accept Invitation. Clicking on this button will redirect you to GitHub, where you'll be prompted to confirm your acceptance of the invite. This method is often the most straightforward, as it directly links the invitation to your email, offering a seamless transition into the GitHub platform. Now, let's explore the second method, which involves using GitHub notifications. This is particularly useful if you haven't received the invitation email or prefer to manage your account activities directly on GitHub. To get started, make sure you're signed in to your GitHub account. If you haven't logged in yet, go ahead and do so. Once signed in, direct your attention to the bell icon located in the top right corner of the GitHub interface. This is where your notifications reside. Clicking on this icon will display any pending notifications, including the invitation you're looking to accept. Scroll through the list of notifications until you find the relevant invitation notification. Once you've identified it, click on the notification to view more details. You'll then see an Accept Invitation button. Click this to confirm your acceptance. This method is particularly handy because it centralizes all notifications related to your GitHub account, allowing for efficient management of various invitations and updates. In both methods, it's important to ensure that you are logged into the correct GitHub account associated with the invitation. An error here can lead to confusion or accessibility issues down the road, especially if you manage multiple accounts. It's also worth noting that once you've accepted the invitation, you'll gain access to the repository or organization with permissions as determined by the inviter. At this point, you can start collaborating, exploring the code base, and contributing. If you're new to GitHub or this particular project, take a moment to familiarize yourself with any contribution guidelines or team rules to ensure a smooth integration and productive collaboration. So there you have it, two simple ways to accept an invitation on GitHub, both through email and directly via GitHub notifications. Hopefully, this guide makes the process easier for you, allowing you to quickly join and engage with your new GitHub community. Thanks for watching, and happy coding!